Wigiro bwakwa ntuku yaku ya Jumamosi ni itete na mbere bwega ningo kugwata ogeni kiri Nteto chietu cheru Thaa Mugwanja narua iri tariki 30 mweri ni jwa 11 mwaka ni jwa 2024 mbeta MAUREEN KINYA. Tukiambiriria Nteto chietu Bishop wa MCK Sinoidia Nyambene niwe Gerard Kithure noritie atongereria mwanya ba makanisa kwithirwa bakithithia biuthurano biria bika mauritani ayuthi baba inge kagitene gakakarutha aria Bishop John Kuruki ongerete gakani kagita karia nthuki mbithi baba inge bethairwa bagitonyerera mitugo iria itiagirite. Nicholas Chabari ni agutwambiriria cio.
Itenere twina rio ni itenere ria rutha na iro twitha twina na betu ndene ya mici yetu na itwice manto yara ya na ciarirana bate cukuru onto bambere kwina ndawa cia kulebia ira ntura yetu cingite muno ndenda mwathani aciari bayukia kanya ka kumenyerana ana bayukia aciari bayukia kanya kumenyerana.
Ojune Bishop Gerard Kithure wa kanisa cha MCK Yegembe Synod akiariria manto makonene kumenyera ana abanini gita ari balemeji na akiuga kanisa nacio cibatiri kwithirigikira mitaratara ira gatigire kumenyera ana baba bathinambe no kurana ki Murungu bakimenya Murungu na gutiya nto barabangi.
Twenda kuwa batu twe kanisa tukuwa o kanisa ire ya kilisia na nyabara batea bakayukia kanya kega kakwithirwa baina mishamanio na antu babanake ndene ya kampu ndene ya convention kuringana na mibango ara kanisa bangite nikenda tumba kwaraniria na ana beto bombe kuna December bwega no ntuitwise kwitha kwina so many temptations ira ciuma ana beto betho baina challenges itukomnya area yetu ni mwera ira mono iri uru muno kirira tuita tenancy pregnancy ya ana banini muno na itukomenya igiteneru tukandress manto yonthe ria twacamania nabo.
Ogo ukirekana kinyantano cia ana bare no gwithirikithia na mbere ariuga makanisa mabatiri kwithira maina mitaratara ya gukarande goro na ana bare na kinyantha kaira na chitani ikathi na mbere na kurutana maurutani mega
ita alternative right of passage ya kwaraniria na ana bare twina nya mibango ira twineo nara kibara batanite ndene atunisa tweto kwariria na beto irura muture yu mwega yo Kristo na muture yu mwega ywa kiunturire kieto nikenda batikeye ukashwe batura miturire tiagirite nonto into inkoromba aciari tumenyere na beto na community yetu inyetu tumenyera ana beto.
Kumegebe North Western Class Chabari.
Kuroba kuma ntere mwanya ndene ya kaunti ya Embu ni baciumiritie na kuigika gavana wa kaunti jenewe Cecily Mbarire aria nandi bethirite bakiuga bare bakurwana na utongereria bwa Cecily Mbarire ni bare bakurwana na utongereria bwa muntu mwekuru bakiuga nandi barirwana nawe ni untu ni mwekuru bubu ni kumania na atongeria bamwe na kinyanto bamwe kwithirwa bagiciumiria na kuuga ati gavana ojo ategwetithia na mbere kaunti je bobwega.
Tunaona kila wakati gavana hata akifanya jambo juri anaambiwa afanye kazi, anatusiwa tu matusi hata ila hatuwezi ongea kwa mitandao. Tunaambia watu wa mitandao wakome hiyo mambo ya kila wakati wanaandikia gavana mitandao kumwambia ili vile hajafanya kazi, na sisi wa mama tunaona gavana wetu amefanya kazi. Ile kazi amefanya hata ni nzuri kuliko ile imefanywa last time. So we are very annoyed sababu hatuoni masababu ya kiongozi amesaguliwa na wamama na akasaguliwa na watu wengine kusimama kuongea mambo ya gavana afanyi kazi tena. Hata MB wetu Mukoji alisema gavana ndiye anafanya president atusiwe, na hiyo ni mambo ya uongo. So tunaambia Mukoji, tafadhali kama unataka tusaidiane, kaa karibu na gavana mfanye kazi, mtuletee maendeleo. Batiti si kuenda ile mirandi gavana anafanya unakuja unapakua alafu unaanza kuambia watu gavana anapiganisha president. So kaendele MB wetu tunakuomba usiwe unatusi gavana kwa watu kama kwa mtandao ama unapea watu kitu ndio waongee mambo mbaya. Ukae karibu na gavana muongee mtufanyie maendeleo. Na sisi wa mama tumeona gavana amefanya kazi na tutamsupport tukiwa wa mama 5,000 na tunaendelea kuregister, tutakuwa saindi hata kura tutakuwa wa mama 10,000 hata 20,000. So ukitusupport hata wetu tutakusupport.
Rais William Ruto ni augite thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni chiritaniritie bonene gotigira mibango ya East African Community ni kumbana nkuruki na inyiritie ubatu bwathiri na kinya ukaria ni kenda kuagirithia gukura kwa uchumi East Africa. Nkuruki Ruto ariti
because the security of Somalia, the stability of Somalia contribute significantly to the stability of our region and the environment for investors and business people and entrepreneurs to thrive. In the same spirit, the process in DRC, which EAC has been involved in, and we welcome the suggestion by DRC to unify the two processes, the Luanda process and the Nairobi process, into one process. We got recommendations from DRC that they would rather this process be put together under Luanda process, and that the facilitator, President Uhuru, from the Nairobi process, be enjoined in the Luanda process. And we are in support of a process rather than running two parallel processes. It is better that we have one process that would help consolidate all efforts and all actors so that, again, we can meaningfully contribute to the peace and stability in DRC as a way of making sure that our region has the security that we need, the stability that is necessary for us to continue the journey of building prosperity for the people of our region. So all these processes are necessary. And because of the experience we've gone through, we have participated in 45 peacekeeping and peacemaking missions around the globe. We were requested by the United Nations to provide leadership in Haiti. Again, we have made good progress in Haiti. The next contingent of security people will be going to Haiti in a couple of weeks from now. We are working with many partners from the Caribbean, Organization of American States, and many other actors in trying to assist the people in Haiti, majority of whom are of African descent, to also enjoy peace like those of us who are in this part of the world. So Kenya is invested in supporting the peace, the security, the stability of our region, and we will spare no effort in deploying our capabilities, our abilities to secure our region as we focus on what helps us to grow.
Nana Kiremi uria ni muruiri o munene wa murimo jwa nyimba no ritie antu arume kwithirwa bari mustari-ini jwa mbere kurwana na kansa mono ya gichunchi kia untu murume neo prostate cancer na naugite kuthimwa kurio kwa muthemba jojo jwa nyimba kugatethia bonene kurigiria arume babaingi kwithirwa bagita na mbere kunyamarika ni nyimba iji akibaromba kinya gwikaria bonene na kinya kuthingatira murire jwao.
Tukaria program kubuthiria antu arume prostate cancer test na kenda antu arume betu bayito muno murimo ya prostate na murimo yu banyiletie sana na ruwa ria tubetete be ya kenda baba kubithirwa test yutu ko organize na different experts bayo babuthiria na ya Meru antu betu ba Meru bakenda kwithira kwenda program yae kana wita kubithirwa murimo screening especially arume Sibitari reta wa Grace Park Hospital Meru itwetha twina collaboration yabo ku kinyabo iba kubithiria antu arume screening e prostate iba kubithiria cross screening enyondo na kinya screening e cervical ku antu betu oni kebwira muno twite tubithire screening kenda muntu amenyara ro aminonto bo akino gonto bravo atutethia kumbana na murimo yoyo wa cancer especially Meru nonto iba atutwe number 1 in the country na murimo wa cancer. Tafadhali antu betu tuiturie tukareta program with the same Meru lakini kwambiria mwaka uyo thire no mwari uyo thire turare Meru University na ekoro baba ingi babuthirio prostate breast cancer screening na cervical kun kwambiria mwaka uyo mwari uyo yete January kana February tukaya kenda arume